What's up? What's up? What's up? Knockum Kitchen on a mission. I'm out here again. It's part two, taking notes. I got the barbecue chicken going on the grill. Thursday evening. Look how it coming out. Thursday evening, we on the grill. And that fresh barbecue chicken. I'm gonna do me some baked beans with that ground meat in it. Some fresh barbecue smoked chicken. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. See, all I did was took me a little salt, black pepper, my own little season. I can't tell y'all that, but take notes. Now remember, I told you every 7 minutes to turn it over. Here we go, my 7 minutes. I'm turning it over, turning the chicken over every 7 minutes. Every 7 minutes. Look how pretty. I usually let y'all see the season that I'm doing it, but this was kind of a little emergency, so I ain't let you see the season. This is my show. I do how I want to do it. Look how it coming out. See that? Nice brown. Look, brown. I might even put me some chicken wings on y'all and do me some hot wings. I might. I'm gonna decide it. So y'all see how pretty that looking on the grill. On the Knockum Kitchen on a mission. I know it's been a little while since I shot a video, but I want y'all to take notes. Every 7 minutes, I need y'all to turn them on over. Take notes. Part two.